Scratch tutorial on using Oracle's VirtualBox. Here I'm going to show you how to share folders between your native operating system and your virtual machine. Boot up the Windows XP virtual machine. Once Windows XP has fully loaded, we need to add a guest. So maximize VirtualBox. Select devices. Install guest editions. This step is absolutely necessary in order to share files between Ubuntu and your VirtualBox. Follow the on-screen instructions. You will get a warning saying that it is not supported. Click Ignore. Once that has been completed, click Reboot Now. And then once you've installed the guest editions and rebooted Windows XP, we are now ready to share folders. Down here we see a little folder. Right click on it. It says Shared Folders. Select that. From here we're given a list of shared folders. Under Machine Folders, we're going to want to add a new shared folder. This way we're able to communicate between Ubuntu and our virtual machine running Windows XP. Select Add Shared Folder. Locate the folder path. Here I'm going to want to share my music folder. Click Open. I'm going to want to make this permanent. Select OK. Select OK again. One is to script, and the other is to simply add a network place. Select Network Places. From here, we're going to go Add a Network Place. This will launch the wizard. Select Next. Once the folder has been set up to be shared through Virtual Machine, we go into Windows XP, select Start, My Network Places. Select Add a Network Place. Click Next. Select Choose Another Network Location. Browse. We can either scan the entire network or what's known. Usually you'll have to scan the network. Under VirtualBox Shared Folders, here we can see the music folder that I've just shared. Select it. Select the root folder and go OK. Click Next. Give the network place a name. Click Finish. Now we can see we have access to a file that is on Ubuntu in our virtual machine. To access our files, select Start, My Network Places, and then locate the folder. Sometimes it will say not responding. That's just because, scratch that. It may appear that it is frozen or not responding. Just give it a few minutes to fully load. Here we're going to double click on the music shared folder. Here we can see the Hunger Games, which is a folder I've been shared. Select it once and give it a minute to load. There we go. And now we can see the files that have been shared. Now it's normally easier to actually copy the files into our virtual machine. That way it will speed up this process.